GoodRx App Review. Let's get started. So GoodRx is a US-based app and website that helps users compare prescription drug prices at over 70,000 pharmacies and access digital coupons to save, sometimes up to 80% off the cash price. It also offers virtual care via GoodRx Care and a premium version called GoodRx Gold for deeper discounts. So let's talk about its pros. It offers big savings and there's no sign up needed. You can also browse and use coupons for free, so there's no login required. They also have easy price comparisons, like you can compare drug prices across nearby pharmacies via your mobile or desktop. They have convenient features, they have a wide pharmacy network, and have a lot of positive customer service. Though it has some cons, prices can be unpredictable. They also have insurance, which is deductible and doesn't apply, and they have some privacy concerns, and some pharmacies don't accept it. They also have poor transparency with Gold Plan, and they have mixed user and Reddit feedback. So the best use cases of this app is no or high deductible insurance, they have price hunting across pharmacies, and it's simple medication management and virtual consults. So in conclusion, GoodRx is a valuable cost-saving tool, particularly for those paying cash or with limited insurance. The app is easy to use, widely accepted, and integrates helpful features like reminders and telehealth. However, it comes with notable caveats like price instability, potential billing issues with gold, and past privacy concerns. So I recommend it's a strong tool for saving on prescription costs, especially in the US, but it's not a perfect solution.